afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Cooking with Dave. I'm your host, Dave. Today we're going to make some roast beef. So I got the smoker started right now. Go ahead and put some olive oil on here. And the olive oil is just going to help to make all the seasoning stick. That's some olive oil. All right. Got some salt. Now you can be generous because there's going to be a good big piece of meat here. Be a little generous with it. There's some salt. I got some onion powder. Wind today is pretty bad, so a little garlic. And a little pepper. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put this on here. I got the grill set for 250 degrees. We're going to bring this down to an internal temperature of around 130, 135. Check it and finish off at around 145 degrees for about a medium well, because we're going to be making roast beef. And then we'll make some roast beef sandwiches. So hope you enjoy. Okay, well we're back now. And that roast is looking really good. So we're going to go ahead and take it off the grill, off the smoker. Now, the grains are running this way, so you want to cut that way. Always remember, cut against the grain. Oh, gorgeous. Yeah, nice and juicy. You got a nice layer of smoke there. Internal temperature of 150 degrees internal. So, like I said, you got about medium, not well done, but about medium well. A little pink, but just look at it. Gorgeous. Perfect. Plenty of juice coming out of there. It's going to be fantastic. I can tell you that right now. I can smell it. Now, for a little bit of horsey sauce, like that. Like that. Some good provolone cheese. If I can get it to come apart. Like that. We'll put that back in there. We'll let that melt down. Let's get the second one done. It's doing that. I gotta try a little piece, so. Salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder. That was it. Nothing else. Delicious. I put it on at 12:30. It's now 3:30. It's a 3-hour cook at 250 degrees, internal temperature of 150. Coming out perfect. So I'm going to have a bite of that sandwich. But in the meantime, I'm going to ask you again, as I always do. Please like, subscribe, make sure you share with your friends, and leave a comment. Let's take a look at one of these sandwiches. Alright. So, like I said, one thing to do now. Oh. I like the flavor of the horseradish sauce. Just brings everything, ties everything together. Alright folks, God bless. And happy Veterans Day. And thank you to all the veterans out there. God bless.